Alright, so Liam is now going to unbox his Pokemon, so we're going to see what Pokemon cards he got. He loves Pokemon cards.
Do you like Pokemon cards?
Yes.
Just a little bit?
I love them a lot.
How many mangas have you read?
About 15.
15 Pokemon mangas.
I mean 16 because I had 2 of one manga.
Yeah, he can read them in like 1 in an hour. It's insane.
Alright, so what's that one?
So this is Salomon's, and he's a dragon type.
Nice.
Ability, Dragon Wind. If this Pokemon is your active Pokemon, once during your opponent's turn, before your attack, you may switch one of your opponent's bench Pokemon with their active Pokemon.
Very nice.
Dragon Claw, 100 damage.
Alright, what do we got here?
We got
Looks like we've got 3 boosters. Whoa, who's that?
Guzzlord.
Oh, that's cool. What
So
about this one? Who's that?
So I got a Guzzlord pack, a Necrozma pack, and a Raichu pack.
Very
you
cool.
please open that?
Oh, sure. Absolutely. Alright, are you ready? Let's see who you got in this one.
So I got Arion, Alolan Geodude, Weedle, Kiddo, Starly, Alolan Raichu, Gorgust, Energy, Gastrodon, Peking Red Card, Poliwag.
Sweet.
Good
Alright.
job.
Here's the next one. Ready? Let's see what you got in this one. Oh, it wants to listen. Daddy is having technical difficulties.
Womp womp.
There it goes. Alright. Oh, hey.
So I got Charmander, Porygon, Marill, Hoothoot, Rhyhorn, Pikachu, Raichu, Bodybuilding Dumbbells,
Good job.
Nice.
Asura, Dusclops.
Very cool.
Cool beans.
Alright. Now let's do the Raichu pack, huh?
Yep.
You got 2 Raichus in your pack, so maybe this one will be a lucky one. Alright, you ready? Go ahead.
Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp, Energy, Beedrill, Charmeleon, Venusaur Spirit Link,
What?
Energy Retrieval.
You'll be able to use that Venusaur Spirit Link with your
Sweet.
Mega Venusaur.
I know I think I had one. Oh no, this is my first one.
I know. Now you have one for Blastoise, Charizard, and Venusaur.
Now I got all 3 Spirit Links and all 3 Megas.
Very cool.
Does that give you an advantage when you are battling Dad?
Yes, it gives me 2 turns.
Gives you 2 turns?
Very snazzy.
I don't even know if you need that because you're so good at battling.
And it has and all of them are EXs, right?
They're Mega EXs too.
They're Mega
Evolutions.
EXs.
What?
And the Spirit Links only work for the EXs. And right now I only have a Latias, or is it a Latios Spirit Link?
I don't know.
And right now I don't have that one, and I'm trying to get it.
For real? All right.
Very cool.
Because
awesome, buddy.
you never know if you're going to get it.
That's
True
right. That's the
story.
best part about the booster packs. Mystery.
Absolutely. All right.
All right, dude. See you later.
See you later.